Hi friends, we have a new feature for the image widget. As you see here, you now can add a frame to your images. Let me quickly show you what kinds of frames we have. By selecting on an image, you can scroll down in the settings to the part where it says background type. And here you can add a frame by selecting one of them. So let me show you here. We have paper frames. We have vintage frames, film frames, and we also have black frames and wooden frames. So the frames will always look good if you have it as a rectangle or square. Then you can also adjust the image and move it to the right or left side, up and down. Now you can add these frames to your personal images or to online images. And you also have to have sticker mode selected when you want to add a frame to your images. So up here on the left side you see we have a planner mode and a sticker mode. The sticker mode is just for adding stickers or widgets which can be moved around on the template. So to add a frame to your images, go to sticker mode, and then you want to open up the widget tab, and then you want to add an online image or a personal image. If you add an online image, you can add images from Unsplash.com to the widget. Unsplash.com is a website filled with different kinds of photography which you can use personally or commercially. So if you see an image you like, for example, let's say this dog here, you can right-click on the image and then click on Copy Image Link, go back to the website, and then have the image selected, the image widget. In the settings, you want to scroll down until you see this field where you can paste in the link, and then the image will apply itself into the widget. So right now the image is pasted into the widget. You can leave it as is, or you can also add a frame around the image. And then if you want to add a frame, scroll further down until you see this section here, background type. And down here below we have different kinds of frames you can add. So simply click on them to add a frame around the image. And you see we have different kinds of frames available. Then you can also further adjust it, resize it like I showed you before. You can also further adjust the image like this. And the same thing can be applied to personal images as well. So if you now want to add a personal image, you can also click up here on My Image. So in the same settings, just scroll all the way up and then click on My Images, and this will pull you up your own personal image collection. So let me further scroll down. You will see that the image section will show up with all your personal images. If you haven't uploaded any personal images to Planify Pro yet, you can click here on Browse. This will pull you up your folder from your computer, and then from here you can import your own images. Then your images will be displayed down here below, and you can click on them to add them to the widget, like this for example. You can choose to have no frame at all, or you can add paper frames or other types of frames. Further adjust it, adjust the image, maybe make it bigger or smaller, like this, and there you go. Now let me quickly show you what you can create with the framed images and how you can use them in the templates. Like you see here, you can for example create an image gallery and for example display images from your families, friends or pets. Or what you can do as well is you can also create vision boards and create something similar like here. You can also create memory planners and then insert images from your family. These templates I've just showed you are all available on the hub page. So you're free to open up any template and then just replace the images with your own. So here you see I already created this memory planner for you. The only thing you need to do is open it up and then replace it with your own images. Here is another memory planner you can use. Then you can also, for example, add images to your weekly planners and then, for example, replace the images with photos of your family, friends, or pets. Here is another example. Or you can do the same for daily planners as well. So there are many different kinds of usages for the image widget with a frame, and if you've got time, I recommend you to go and check it out and maybe play around with the image widget and see how you can further customize and personalize your templates. If you have any questions, feel free to always message me on Instagram or Facebook, and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Bye!